It's Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a big show for you in a little compact period of time. Hillary is on her way. She's going to visit me tonight. She's pretty big, so I got to save my energy for the hurricane, ladies and gentlemen. West coast of the United States and East Coast is getting bad weather, and we'll see how it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk to you a minute here about uranium a little bit. The newsletter is out with an emphasis on uranium, a major update on uranium. You guys know what's going on right now with Niger. You know, some of the world's production of uranium could be taken off the market. France could be in trouble. This, that, and the other thing over there. We'll just see how it plays out. We've done some shows on it and everything. We'll see. This stuff takes time, ladies and gentlemen. But as I said before, and I'll say again, the spot price, the long-term uranium contract price, things are creeping up. The conversion, enrichment prices, SWU, things are happening. The internal supply chain is exploding before our eyes, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll just see how that goes. I'm going to show you some charts here. But, while everybody's looking at uranium right now, no one's noticing this slide downward in lithium. Are you noticing that? These lithium stocks are ready to be bought up. The fires are out in Canada. At least we think the fires are out. And they're back to doing some work on the locations and doing some groundwork, doing some drilling in Canada. So we'll see how some of this stuff comes out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what some of the biggies are doing in, we'll look at a couple of uranium stocks too, but lithium as we segue over to lithium. And then we have another area to cover also. But make sure you take a look at your Baby Knockout newsletter because it's out, ladies and gentlemen. Special shout out, Roger Paps, Mark Jarrett. Shout out, Mark Jarrett. Hope your mom is well. Chris Noel, we heard from this week. Lisa Garvey, we heard from. Shout out to you. My dad's doing well. Shout out to Megan. Heard from her today. She's doing well. We're glad that she's still over in the Philippines, but she's going to be all right. She had successful surgery and everything's going to be well. Shout out to you, Megan. We hope you wish you the best, and we're praying for all of those people that are shut in right now. And this is going to be for you. Just an update. Let's take a look at some charts. Ladies and gentlemen, when you take a look at Cameco, our leader here, it's riding the 13-day moving average. You see we crossed over the 48-day here. The red, the black is the 13-day. We're going to ride that hopefully for the next couple of years. That would really, really be nice. On a weekly chart, you can see we're still bullish as ever for a minute here. We'll see. Energy fuels, ladies and gentlemen. After last week, I can spare you some time here. I'm going to move on over to the lithium stocks here because we're looking at a lot of inside bar days here for this past week. We had a big week last week, and this week, as long as we're trading inside those bars, ladies and gentlemen, all is well, especially as long as the spot price is going up $58.30 or so. If we crack 59, 60, we'll see here the next month and a half, 2 months. We'll see how it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at big lithium player Albemarle. It's below its 200-day moving average. The 13-day is diving, and you can see some turning on the 48-day also. So we will see how this thing goes. Lithium, it's a high flyer. I'm not sure lithium is going to be down forever, but while it's down right now, it may be an opportunity to take a look at and refresh and dust off your Invest in Lithium Baby Knockouts now. You can get it on Amazon.com. You get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. Also, lithium penny stocks, low risk, high reward investing, has penny stocks in it. Ladies and gentlemen, some of these stocks are going to do exceptionally well in this lithium run. Another lithium high flyer, Piedmont Lithium. Look at this. We're headed south here on Piedmont also. Below the 200, and I don't believe that lithium is in that bad a shape right now, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see. Up in Canada, look at even Patriot Battery Metals is down to $11.99 Canadian there. It's diving down a little bit. A resource report came out. They got a lot of uranium. They probably got some of that too, but they got a lot of lithium, ladies and gentlemen. Lithium, Patriot Battery Metals, lithium. I mean, we were in at really, really low. You guys remember? Patriot Battery Metals up in Canada is one of our lithium baby knockout winners so far, and it will be a winner for days, weeks, months, and years to come. My friends, if you didn't get it at a quarter, it's 50 cents now. If you don't get it at 50 cents, you may have to wait to get it at 75 cents or $1. If you don't get it then, it looks like it's got a bright, bright future. And did I hear a phone call? Did I hear something? Did you guys hear that? I haven't had a phone call yet. Guys, thank you very, very much for... Never gets old, never gets old. What about Surge Battery Metals, ladies and gentlemen? Surge Battery Metals. Should I show you the video when we said it was 6 cents? With after 5 comes 6. Well, it's 55 now, Canadian. It's doing well also. Ladies and gentlemen, this lithium trade will be a big trade. You want to get your baby knockouts early. You want to follow the scoop without a doubt, ladies and gentlemen. You also want to make sure that you give a little small donation so you can get the baby knockouts early. And you want to get the newsletter, ladies and gentlemen. That's the key to all this, getting in early. We have trades that we're getting ready to start, and you want to be in those trades early like you were in all the other trades that we've done and killed it. Like right now, ladies and gentlemen, you may not like Bitcoin, and a lot of you don't like Bitcoin, but we're on the verge of something big with Bitcoin, the halvening, and we have had a giant pullback right now. This is a gift, ladies and gentlemen. If you've been talking about Bitcoin for a minute, we're within that time frame of 6 to 9 months before that halvening event. And we're going to really, really tune in on it here in the days and weeks and months to come, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to get ready for what's about to occur that I hope is nothing but something small and not something big, because it's the first time it's happened in about 80 years or so. That's the West Coast getting a hurricane or tropical storm or whatever you want to call it. A lot of wind is basically what it's going to turn out to be. And wind and rain can do a lot of damage, as most of you know, all over the world. And then you throw fires in there. Are we in our last days? God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Take care.